I wanna put you in my life forever, 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 forever. Baby, me love when you wine pon the pipeline. Me lady, believe me, me love you, me lifeline. You nah be no more side chick, no a wife time. Me love you for your lifetime, lifetime.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl Angie in the cut. You already know who it is. Hi guys, so today I'm back with a new video. I decided to do a eyebrow tutorial because a lot of people have been asking me for it, so here I am giving it to you guys. I will put down below all the products that I did use in this video, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Angelina. I am from Montreal, Canada, and I like to post videos about makeup, vlogs, fashion, hair tips, and things like that, and so much more. So without further ado, let's just hop into this video. Alright, hi guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by using a spoolie, and I use that just to, you know, like brush up my eyebrows and see the direction I'm going in, and it's really gonna show off, like, you know, the shape of my eyebrows, and it's really gonna help, like, when you start applying the product. When you brush your eyebrows, it helps you to see exactly how to trace and everything. And I use the Anastasia Dipbrow pomade, and this is in the shade dark brown. I use a angled brush to apply the product as well. And then what I usually do is I start like in the middle part of my eyebrows, and I lightly just follow the shape of my eyebrows and I trace, you know, and then with the residue that's left on the brush, I'm gonna go ahead and just create this tiny little line in the front. And I don't know, I like doing that. It's just gonna create like a fade effect. And then I'm gonna go on the top part of my eyebrows and do the exact same thing. So just follow the shape of my eyebrows, and as you can see at the ends of my eyebrows, I don't have that much hair. I just don't have that much. So what I do is I just overline a little bit, and this is where I'm gonna apply a lot more product, just because I really want it to be filled in, you know, because that's the point of filling in your eyebrows, making sure that, you know, like it's really filled in and it's kind of dark. It's always dark towards the end of your eyebrows, so you don't have to worry about that. And then, so yeah, as you can see, I'm just applying a bit more product towards the ends of my eyebrows so it could look cute. You know what I'm saying? And then what I like to do is towards the front part of my eyebrows, I just go lightly and create like tiny little lines. You're not gonna see them at the end just because I use concealer, you know what I'm saying? I already have a lot of hair in the front part, so it doesn't really matter. And then what I like to do is brush my eyebrows, and then now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the exact same thing but on my other eyebrows. So I'm just gonna fast forward this part. Alright, so now on to concealing. I use this brush. This is from the brand Co, and as you can see, there's a angled brush part and there's a fluffy brush part, so it's so perfect. And I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer, and this is in the shade Found, and it's really close to my skin color, so this is what I like because I really want it to look, you know, natural. I don't want it to look too light and stuff. So what I do is I literally follow the shape of my eyebrow. It's as if I was putting on the product to fill in my eyebrows, but instead I'm just like concealing. I'm literally like following the shape. And when I do this part, I'm really careful because I really don't want no concealer on my eyebrows. Like literally, I hate that feeling. It really sucks. And then I'm gonna go on the top part and do the exact same thing. And as you can see, I'm using the angled brush part, but then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use the other part, which is a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna use that just to really blend out the concealer. But you really want to be careful at that part because, as I said, you don't want no concealer on your eyebrows because, girl, I'm telling you, like, if you do that, it really pisses me off when that happens, to be honest. So I'm really careful, and I literally take all my time in this part. Alright, you guys, so that's literally like all I do for my eyebrows. I don't do nothing more than that. I don't put eyebrow gel just because with the Dipbrow pomade, it's literally gonna make your eyebrows last like the whole entire day. Like I remember one time I went to the pool and I came out and my eyebrows were still snatched. I remember also I came home from the club and I went to sleep. I know I slept with my makeup, it's not good to do that, but once I woke up, my eyebrows were still snatched. I'm telling you, like, this Dipbrow pomade is really life. It's so amazing, and it's $23 Canadian at Sephora. So I really love it. And anyways, this is what I do. Hopefully this helps some of you guys, you know, that don't really know what to do with your eyebrows or how to do your eyebrows. This method really helps me. It takes me like about 8 minutes to finish my eyebrows, no more 30 minutes to do my brows, let me tell you that. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.
Oh, you might just shake it for me.